Yeah, so now we can go to the edit with notepad, and we are given for the username, password, and what are the values we have. These are the all column names, right? We need to give for the test data and click on save and close it, and we'll observe for the Jojo1, Bean1, Jojo2. And after that, we need to select for the column name as F name, and same line as user. I am selected as same line as user. So click on OK. So this is for the complex parameterization. Now you can execute, and how the values it is picking, we can observe. So parameterization concept is very easy. The small concept for this is one of the enhancements in our scripting. Now we can observe here what values it is picking. See, first iteration, Jojo and Bean means first username, first data point, and second user and second column, first data point, because of we are given as a same line as some other parameter property. Jojo1, Bean1. Here see, you can observe first name is Jojo1. So like that we can do for the complex parameterization. Maximum we can do for the maximum, all companies will follow with the complex parameterization only. We can do for this same like this only. But starting why I told me, so you need to for the first understand for the sequential and everything, right? So I explain for that, but maximum we can do for the real time, we can do as a complex parameterization. This is for the important concept for us. Anyway, anyone have any doubts?
No, in real time, the complex parameterization only the companies will follow, no? Like clients. Hello, Shriram?
Yes. Hello? Yes.
Maximum clients will follow only complex parameterization only, no?
Yes, clients will follow the complex parameterization because of there is no conception like we need to select a sequential random, that will be some confusion. So, but this will be what will happen. Same line as some other parameter means Jojo will pick the Bean and assign to the next same row will pick for the all the values. So how many values we have in complex, all the values we pick. So this is for the real time environment we can do for this one.
Okay.
Okay, got it, right? So for everyone, right, I say this is a parameterization entire concept for we done for this 2 days. For we completed for entire parameterization. We can do for the like this for the date and time means we can do same like that, and complex parameterization means we can do that type. And do one thing, you can today you can record script and do the complex parameterization for all values. All values nothing but what are the values we are entering through keyword, what are the static values we can do it for like first name, last name, and address 1, address 2, passengers, and credit card. So these all values we can do in complex parameterization. Create one script and do complex parameterization and run with the 5 iterations and observe the how the values is picking to the values when we are using as a same line as some other parameter property. And
Okay,
so one more thing, I will give one more thing, like I will give one URL apart from this web tour, because of we need to do for the scripting. different right in go to the in office means we don't have only for web tour, right? We have, they will give for the banking, insurance, and different type of URLs give. So based on that some this is a one of the Blaze demo. I will copy the in chart window. Everyone can save it. Each and everyone will be record this also. You can record for this script also and select for the here choose the departure city and end of flight button, and after that choose the any one of the flight. Then after that you need to enter for this all details. For this all details you can entering means what you can do, you can do for the parameterization. So each and every value you can, once you can complete the script, you can do for the complex parameterization and purchase ticket, and this is the flow you can record. I will show for the record also. So dummy only we can give for the credit card, what are the details we need to give for the dummy only. Expire date, and you need to give for the whatever name. Okay, then purchase flight. See, flight will be thank you for your purchase today. So after that you can recording stop, and after that for we need to do for the parameterization. What are the values we have, we are entering through keyword, you can do for this is also one of the assignment. Everyone saved, right? For I send in chat window URL blazydemo.com. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so everyone you can save that one, and you can do for scripting. This is also you can do one is for the web2 scripting, you can record that one, do the complex parameterization and the date and time parameterization, and after that is completed you need to prepare and Blazy demo. Using this one you can book the flight and do the parameterization, complex parameterization, and if it's any date and time parameterization you can do it. And okay, tomorrow I will see the each and everyone script also in class only.
Okay.
Is it fine, right?
Yeah.
So stop.